Alright, I'm here at the 2019 Outlander SE. Want to show you some of the updates and upgrades that they did for 2019, as well as go over a few of the things that you get when you go from the ES model up to this SE package. There's a few different things changed, so I may not say them all in the video, but I'll make sure and touch on them in the notes below. Biggest things from going to ES to SE is going to be the push button start with proximity key entry. So that allows you to walk up to the door, press the button on the handle and enter the car without having to take out a key and push a button. And then you can also just push button to start, so you don't have to stick a key in the ignition and turn. Makes it very simple for getting in and out of the vehicle. This particular one is the convenience package as well, so you can see the mirrors are folded in. It gives you power folding mirrors with blind spot warning system, which is also a very nice feature. Only $1,000 additional to the SE package. Now, as you come into the vehicle, you are going to see the SE model does come with upgraded seats. So you get the leather trim seats with the suede inserts, as well as a power driver seat, so for that added convenience. You also upgrade to the Apple CarPlay Android Auto Smart Link display. So it's the same size screen, but it's laid out a little bit different and allows you to do full navigation, voice to text, Pandora, iHeartRadio, a lot of those features through the display, so you don't have to be on your phone while you're doing it. Also, one thing to note on the SE model, you do have rear USB port right below those new rear AC vents, as well as of course a front USB. And then the third row seats are full leather, so you don't have that suede insert back there, which is kind of cool. Nothing I really thought of until I looked at it, but it's usually kids in the back, and leather's a little bit easier to clean up, so it's kind of a nice feature that they did there for you. Like I said, there's probably a few more things that I haven't pointed out yet that changed from SE to ES, and I'll make sure and disclose those in the notes. But any other questions, let me know. Jason, our car guru. Thanks, guys.